Hello.
Hello.
Okay. What's your name?
My name's Jesse.
Jesse. Where are you from?
I'm from United States originally, but I've been living here in Umphang as a Peace Corps volunteer for about 2 years now.
Oh, 2 years. Good. And could you say something about Umphang?
What can I say about Umphang? Umphang is a mountain community on the Burmese border. It's probably best known for the waterfall Tee Lor Su, which many people say is the most beautiful in Thailand. It has a fascinating mix of ethnicities. 90% of the population is actually ethnic Karen, who've been here for about 200 to 300 years. There's also Hmong, Burmese refugees, and the Thais as well.
And how you like living in Umphang?
Umphang's great. The weather's nice. It never really gets too hot here. The pool scene is cool. The rain gets you a little bit, but it's one of the most scenic places I've been in Thailand. It's got a range of native species still living in the area in the national parks surrounding the Ampur Umphang, including wild elephants, tigers, rhinoceros, and Asian black bears.
And is there anything would you like to tell foreign tourists coming to Umphang?
Yeah, don't come.
No.
I would say, Umphang really isn't a tourist town as of yet. Most of the year there are no tourists here. So I would just say if you come, be respectful of the community. Maybe learn a little bit of Thai before you come. Most people don't actually speak English here. I think the best times to come are between November and March.
Yes, about October, November, yes.
October, November to March, and then before the rainy season.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name's Laura.
Laura, where are you from?
From Toronto, Canada.
Do you mind telling us something you like about Umphang? Telling us a little bit about Umphang.
Sure. Well, I'm not from Umphang, but I live pretty close by, about 2 hours away here in Thailand. So Umphang is my weekend getaway, and usually I come to relax and get away from work. So what I like best about Umphang is the fact that it's quiet and calm without the hassles of some other cities I've visited with the tourists and traffic and noise.
Great, well thanks very much.